Hi, I'm Scott, Development Chef at Panasonic. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a traditional dish that's a staple across coffee houses throughout the world. The dish that we're going to be showing is a Croque Monsieur. To build the sandwich, we spread some of the bechamel sauce on one half of the sourdough bread and just top with some of the grated Gruyere cheese. On the other half, I spread some of the Dijon mustard mayo and layer the smoked ham on top. Add some more of the Gruyere cheese, followed by another slice of the smoked ham. We'll finish by placing a little bit of the bechamel sauce on top of the ham. I then take the topped bechamel side of the sandwich and place on top. The program that we're going to use for the Panasonic high-speed oven is microwave P6, with the grill on high at 100% for 70 seconds. Thanks to the grill feature of the Panasonic high-speed oven, when the sandwich comes out, you can see that we've got a lovely colour and caramelisation as the cheese has melted into the bechamel. And thanks to the inverter technology from the Panasonic high-speed oven, you're guaranteed perfect results for your product every single time.